Hey guys, we are at Agonda Beach right now after Palolem. So this is also based in South Goa. So we spent one night here in one of the huts, and that's the hut there. The name of these huts is Sacred Garden. It is within the budget. You can check, once you will be here in Agonda Beach. Also, they have a restaurant here. I can show you that. That's Eden Garden. They have really tasty and yummy food. You should try it once you are here. Those who are looking for a good time, chillax time, this is the perfect place. Come here, spend one night, you yourself will feel relaxed. Hey guys, now I'm going to show you the backside of the Agonda Beach, a little bit view. So if you're coming to this side, you have to come from the Sentence Church side. You have to take a right, and from there you will find an SBI area. So here itself, then you will find that board of Secret Garden. So it will be little, challenging to find the place, but if you come it carefully, you will find it. So this side, this is the back side of the hut where we stayed, and see the view from the beach itself. The view, from the hut itself, the view was really nice. You could see the beach very beautifully in the morning. And this is the road. So if you go from here straight, you will find lot of restaurants and as well as small wine shops as well. And so it will be open till 10 or 11 max at night. And the food is really awesome in each and every restaurant here. We tried one more. One was Simrose. Again, those who are coming here should go to Simrose restaurant and have the breakfast. The best part about Simrose is the view. It is towards the beach side, so you can enjoy the view as well as the food both. The ambience is also really nice. So these are the places we went in the evening yesterday. Just explored a little bit more about these places. And there is a supermarket also here. If you want to have something, you can get it from here. It's again open till 10 or 11 max in the night. So here is the board of Secret Garden. There is a little space for the parking as well. And those who are, best would be to take a scooty here in this place, because the roads are really, it's not that broad, it's narrow. And to enjoy the entire view, taking scooty would be more suggestible once you are here, if you want to explore the place and the beach. So guys, we are going to head the next beach right now. So once we will reach there, we'll show you the beach, the name, other information. Meanwhile, bye, take care, stay safe. So guys, this is the road which will lead to Sacred Garden Resort, and we'll show you the road a little bit more, and as well as St. Anne's Church. So it will be easy for you guys once you will be here to identify the place. The road, it's a straight road. It is little narrow though, but then it is it will lead directly to the Secret Garden once we will be here. So we are moving towards the next beach. And so you can see the view, it's really beautiful. Both sides, the coconut trees, and with a little bit of sunshine, the entire ambience changes. And even if you go for a walk also, you will feel good. You can there are bikes for rent as well. You can take a bike to rent, and you can cover these places. Just go for a ride, and in scooty also, and you will be able to see more other restaurants and as well as the resorts side by side once you cover this place, this road especially. And it's not that crowded here, so but yeah, people are here, and not very crowdy. So you will also, feel, you will get to feel that, your private relaxing time here. That feel you will get it. Those who are looking for a, silent, soothing environment. So you can see people coming in scooty and bikes here. So here, when it comes to the breakfast, you have to specifically check for whether the, certain restaurants provide or not, since they close a little lately. So most of the restaurants offer lunch, post lunch and post that. So they don't have very much restaurant which provides breakfast, but yeah, still you can get it. One of those is Simrose, and there was another one just besides Simrose that was South Indian restaurant. So that also will provide breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And so you can check out that basis your convenient and whatever you want to have it. So now we have reached Simrose. So I'll just show you from outside. It's a really beautiful resort. So cost wise it is not very much budgetary, but yeah, still they have it. Lot of huts just very close to the beach. The view of the beach from those huts are really beautiful. And now we are going towards the church. This road will straight lead to church. We'll show you that as well. So it is just the right hand side. I hope you can see it. This is the St. Anne's Church. So from here you have to go to Secret Garden. We are heading towards Kola Beach right now. So we have parked the car in the top. The roads are really steep here, so we have to walk close to 1.3 kilometers to reach beach. That is what people are also doing in order to avoid this rash road. So we are walking towards the beach, and once we will reach there, I'll show you the beach. Guys, we have reached Kola Beach. We are going to enter now. So after covering 1.3 kilometers walk, now this is the entrance to the beach. So you can see the beach along with huts, and as well as they might be having chairs as well. We'll show you what we have once we reach downstairs. Guys, hello. So we have reached finally the Kola Beach towards the bottom side. You can see from that side the beach. Okay, and this side there are small huts as well. And that side, if you look at towards the left hand side of mine, that is the Blue Lagoon. So that's the famous Blue Lagoon. People, most of the people have heard. People are there relaxing, and you can see the entire area is, green with coconut trees. It's like a different island altogether, and the beach, waves. So we are going towards that hut. We'll show you more what we have there. Guys, I'm standing in front of a hut right now. It's being built. It's not fully complete yet. You can see that people are completing, it's the finishing and all those things. So it will be ready by next month then. And then you can expect good crowd here once it will be fully ready. And then the entire ambience and the view, everything will be amazing. We have reached Cafe de Rama. I'm standing in front of the entrance. You can see it's a beautiful arch shape, with open things and all. The The view is amazing. You have to. I'll just show you the view. So you can see the entire beach. Right hand side of trees. From there, you just go downstairs. Hopefully, I could see some people sitting in the front. So I guess it's open, and it's really beautiful, the view. Towards the left hand side, if you see, the sea is bluish in color, and towards this side, if you see, it's a different color altogether. And it's a very sunny day, so you can see a lot of people coming towards this side. So we'll go downstairs and we'll show you more. Hey guys, we're going to enter the Peak Goa restaurant. So they also have resorts here. We're going to check out that. And along with it, we'll have some snacks and drinks. Let's see what all things they have. And at this side, you can see again the view. It's really beautiful. Look at how beautiful this view is. It's a must-visit place. Please do come. And we'll show you what all they have in restaurants. And that's just trying to cover the resort. Hey guys, finally we are back to Kalangud where we are staying right now. So our 2-day trip, vlog ends here. We will bring out new vlogs, new places in the upcoming weekend. So till then, stay tuned. Please like, subscribe, share, and stay safe. Bye bye.